We're making deals and signing NDAs! That's right, it's Pitchstorm from Skybound Games. This party game for 3 to 12 players pits rival movie writers against one another to gain the most green lights from the studio execs. In the 3 to 5 player version of the game, everyone plays individually. With 6 to 12, players split into 2-person teams. For 3 to 5, whomever most recently bought dinner for someone else is the executive in the first round of play. The executive draws 3 note cards and keeps them secret, while the remaining players draw 3 cards from either the plot deck or the character deck. In the first round, the player to the left of the executive draws a card from the opposite deck of what they chose before. After reading that card aloud, players add one from their hand to it and have 45 seconds to pitch that movie to the executive. But during the pitch, the exec is allowed to pause the timer and give the writer a note card, which they must now incorporate into their pitch. Like, what if we replace the climax of the movie with a drum solo? That'll get you a Best Supporting Actor award. This continues with each writer until everyone is gone. The exec then determines which pitch was their favorite and awards that player 1 point. First to 5 wins the game. In the 6 to 12 player version, players split into teams of 2, writing partners, and they each draw 3 cards from different decks. The pitching process is the same, but players can't talk to each other about their cards or movie ideas until the timer starts. When playing as the executives in this version, they each draw separate note cards and keep them secret even from each other until added to the pitch. After each pitch, the executives get to draw a new note card to refresh their hand. After all teams have pitched, the executive team decides. If the 2 disagree, the player with the most cash on hand, literally, gift cards and Bitcoin don't count, Chris, they get to pick. And that's Pitchstorm. I'm Becca Scott, and I believe in you. Follow your dreams. You can be anything you want to be. Anyway, you can watch me play this game and other awesome games on Game the Game right here on Geek and Sundry. Maybe you could do that. Maybe you could be the new me. Maybe you can show up in LA and wear a red wig. Just follow me around until you follow me into an alley and you take me out. Please don't wear my skin. We'll see you there.